Violinists, we're going to work on Flight of the Hurricane Hunters. I have chosen to cut out the last two lines. As you can see on this piece of paper for Flight of the Hurricane Hunters, we're going to cut out the last two lines. So cross those out. And so the third line from the bottom, you'll go right back up to measure 5. Okay, and end it on the second ending. All right, let's try this slowly. You can just not slur and work on just doing bowing on each note. All right, Flight of the Hurricane Hunters. 1, 2, 3, and 4 M. Two, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 2, 3, 4. 3, 2, 3, 4. 4, 2, 3, 4. 5, 2, 3, 4. 6, 2, 3, 4. 7, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. One, 2, 3, 4. 2, 2, 3, 4. 3, 2, 3, 4. 4, 2, 3, 4. 5, 2, 3, 4. 6, 2, 3, 4. 7, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. All right. I hope I didn't take it too fast. Start slow and pick it up. All right. As the Jim Evans, who wrote this piece, wanted to make a difference between the top part of the song, which is the storm, and then last part of the song, it's calm, right? Then you go back into the hurricane storm. All right. Have fun with that. Bye-bye.